Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT Preparation Merit or Excellence questions. This is question 12 in this series. Today we're going to be looking at, well, I think this could be a merit question, not sure, we'll see. So basically, as usual guys, what I need you to do is just pause the video sometime in the next couple of seconds, try this question by yourself, and then see if you get the same answer as me. Alright, so I'm assuming you had a go at this question. Basically, this question says two consecutive odd numbers are such that 3 times the first is 5 more than twice the second. So the first thing you kind of need to understand is that with an odd number, what we kind of say is that let the first odd number, so we're going to say let first odd number equal 2n plus 1. Now you might wonder where I got this 2n plus 1 from is, but kind of think about it like your first odd number. So it's like putting any n in, when you substitute n as 1, you get 1 times 2 plus 1, which means it's 3. So think about it like this, right? Like if I put n and actual number, so if n equals to 0, then you get 1 as your number, because 0 times 2 plus 1 is 1. If n equals 1, then the odd number would be 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 3, and so on. So if the first odd number is 2n plus 1, then we can say that the second odd number is going to be 2n plus 3, because every odd number, there's 2 between the two of them. Alright, so we've got our second odd number and we have our first odd number. So I'm going to write down the first odd number. So it says 3 times the first. So the first odd number is 2n plus 1, but it's actually getting multiplied by 3, is 5 more than twice the second. So twice the second odd number, which is 2n plus 3, is 5 more than, so it's plus another 5 attached to it. So I hope that actually makes. So we've got 3 times the first odd number is 5 more than twice the second. So twice the second is there, and then plus 5 is 5 more. So once we get this part, it's fairly straightforward after that, because you just expand and rearrange. We got 3 times 2n, which is 6n. 3 times 1 is 3. Equals 2 times 2n is 4n, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 5. Now we have 6n. I'm going to shift the 4n to the left hand side, so it becomes minus 4n, plus 3 equals 11. So what I have is 2n plus 3 equals 11. Then I can say 2n equals 11 minus 3. And then I have 2n equals 8, and n equals 8 over 2, which states that n equals to 4. Now you might be wondering, what the hell? I thought I was looking for an odd number, I'm actually getting a 4. But remember that n is 4. So you got to go back to your first odd number, which happens to be 2n plus 1. And then you got to go to your second odd number, which is 2n plus 3. So for the first odd number, you've got 2 times 4 plus 1, which equals 9. And for the second odd number, you've got 2 times 4 plus 3, which equals 11. So in the end, what you say is 2 odd numbers are 9 and 11. Alright, and that's basically it for this answer, guys. As usual, if you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. Tune in tomorrow for another question, and thank you for watching.